Hello everyone, and then welcome to another tutorial video. So this video is going to be a very short video. Okay, I'm going to share with you how to get free MTN data bundles. Okay, right, so without further much ado, let's dive right into this video. But before we do that, in case you are new to this channel, I'd urge you to subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out on future videos. Like, share, and then in case you have any questions, just leave them in the comment section. Okay, so we've currently noticed that data bundles have been expensive nowadays. Okay, so on this channel I'll try and as much as possible to upload videos that will help you guys save money, okay, whilst purchasing bundles. Okay, so let's get started with this video. First, I've left a link in the video description, okay, and in the video description you'll find a Telegram group in case you want to join our community so that you don't miss out on any uploaded videos. Just click that Telegram page link and then join our group. Okay, so first you click on the link in the video description, okay, and then you paste it into your browser. Okay, or once you click on it, it will just send you straight into your browser. Okay, so I will just paste mine over here. Okay, I'll just paste mine over here and then I'll just click on go. Now from here you can notice that there is what an MTN Lite platform. Okay, for this MTN Lite platform, what you have to do is just click on what get started. Okay, so they are saying add my MTN Lite icon as a shortcut to your desktop device screen and launch conveniently anytime. But what you are trying to do is just get free data bundles. Okay, we are not interested in this one for the meantime, so just click on get started. Now this is the fun part. Know that this is free to use. Okay, so click on get started. Once you click on get started, this menu will pop up. Okay, first, before we get into this video or before I do anything else, let me go back and check my data bundle. Okay, so that you get to know that this is real or not. Okay, let's go back and check my data bundle. So let me check my data bundle. Okay, so this is my data bundle, my current data bundle. Okay, we want to get free data bundle, so check this out. I have 82.22 megabytes. Okay, so after doing this you might get an additional 1 gig. Okay, that's the plan. But now I have what 82.2 megabytes. So now let's go back to the video. Now, so here you have to input the number you want the data on. Okay, so just input that number. Okay, so here what I'm inputting my number. Okay, and then after that you click on verify your phone number. So you'll be sent an OTP. Okay, you'll be sent an OTP. Just insert the OTP over here. Okay, and we click on done. So let's just wait. Click on done. Now from here you could notice that you've been brought to another menu. Okay, they are saying that download my MTN Lite on Safari. So they are saying click to share at bottom of your screen and then select out home screen from the menu. Okay, now let's close this. We are to get what enjoy 50 megabytes data. So these are welcome gifts. Okay, this is how you get what 50 megabyte data. Okay, so they are saying that these are welcome gift for joining us here. We hope you enjoy your experience on my MTN Lite. Okay, so let's go. So you can notice that we have what this data bundle at what 3 cities. So from here you can notice that we have a bonus bundle package. Okay, so we have bonus of 49.19 megabytes. Okay, that is what I was trying to tell you. So once you use this technique you get what the data bundle package. Okay, or the data bonus. That's, you can notice that I had what 82.23 and then now I have a bonus of what 49.19 megabytes. Okay, so in case you enjoy watching this video, make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that you don't miss out on future videos. I will see you in the next video. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.